Okay, YouTube, today I have a 2011 BMW 7 Series. I'm going to show you how to reset the service intervals on all the brakes, oils, and all that fun stuff. So first you're going to turn the vehicle to the on position without actually turning it on. Next you're going to hold this button down until this display screen changes. Next you can press the button to scroll through all of this. We're going to reset the engine oil on this. You're going to hold it down, let go when it says reset, hold it down again, and just let it count down till it resets. Okay, so that's how you do that one. If you want to do another one, we'll just do the vehicle check. So go to it, hold it down, let go, hold it down again, and just wait for it to reset. So you can do that with all of them: brake pads, brake fluid, engine oil, and then vehicle check. And then to exit out of it, just turn the vehicle off and you're good to go.